ready to turn your crypto gains into real-world cash. First, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to your profile settings. Usually found by clicking your profile icon, you will want to ensure that your account is fully verified before attempting a withdrawal. This typically involves confirming your identity with a government's ID. Now, securely link your bank account to Coinbase. Head over to the linked accounts section and follow the prompts to connect your bank. Coinbase might require you to verify small test deposits to confirm ownership. Once your bank is linked, return to the Coinbase dashboard and click on the withdraw button. You can usually find this in the accounts section. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and choose your linked bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank. Before finalizing the transaction, carefully review the withdrawal details, paying close attention to any associated fees and the estimated processing time. Keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on your bank. Confirm the transaction and keep an eye on your withdrawal history for updates. You'll likely receive email notifications as the withdrawal progresses. Finally, once the transfer is complete, double-check your bank account to confirm that the funds have arrived. Remember to keep records for tax purposes. To protect your funds, always enable two-factor authentication and regularly review your account activity for any unauthorized access. With these easy steps, you can smoothly transfer your crypto into cash.